Hello everyone, welcome to day 81 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the cluster V stitch. So this stitch, again, it's worked on a foundation row, which is a multiple of 3. You can choose to do a foundation chain in this for this stitch. Okay. For the sake of the video, I'm making a foundation chain of 9 stitches. And I'm going to add 3 more stitches as my very first double crochet stitch. Now into the 4th stitch we are going to make a incomplete double crochet of 2 double crochets instead of. So while you make an incomplete double crochet, I'm going to show that again. So yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of the first 2 loops, and you're going to keep these 2 loops just like that, and you're going to go into the same stitch and make one more incomplete double crochet. You can choose to do 3 stitches or 5 stitches as well, but you have to skip the number of stitches in between accordingly. So you close both the double crochet stitches together and chain 1. Again, do the same thing one more time. So into just one chain we are crocheting 4 double crochets, but as 2 incomplete double crochets. Now skip 2 and go into the next stitch. Repeat the same. Make 1 incomplete double crochet of 2 DCs and chain 1 and do the same thing again. Okay. Again, skip 2. Repeat. 1 incomplete double crochet, another incomplete double crochet, close both together, chain 1 and make another pair. Now make 1 double crochet at the last stitch. So here we have our row 1. Again, row 2, you start off with a chain 3. Now we are just going to crochet into the chain 1 space. So you directly go into the chain 1 space and work your incomplete double crochet V stitch or the cluster V. That's about the pattern. It's again a 1 row repeat. You can crochet this to any length that you want. Make sure you start your work and end your work with a double crochet so that your edges are straight. Okay. And at the end of the row, make sure to make your double crochet on top of the chain 3 to complete the row. So this is the cluster V stitch. Do try out this pattern and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.